Hello, my little star. So, I hope you have seen the part 1 of chapter 5. It's time to move on to our part 2 of chapter 5, that is presentation software and introduction. And in this part, we will cover about the components. But before, as usual, we will take a recap. In recap, what we have seen in part 1, that is what is presentation software, major components of presentation software, common terms of presentation software, starting a PowerPoint and inventor of PowerPoint, and some important facts. The new presentation screen appears, which consists of 3 panes. Okay, we have learned about what is PowerPoint. Okay, how it's look, what are the components. Now I'm going to tell you about the first 3 pane. These 3 panes helps to understand and to work easily on the PowerPoint. Okay, now what are these 3 panes? That first is navigation pane, second is slides pane, and third is notes pane. Okay, navigation pane, the first one is, I think you have seen a Google map in your parents' mobile phone. Okay, that will navigate. Mine means told you where to go. Okay, I'm telling you through the image. See, the left side area, that is called navigation pane, the downside area, that is called notes pane, and the right side area, that is called slide panes. Whatever slides you used and how much slide you selected or you used in your presentation, that show you. I have taken only one slide, that was only one slide is there on the navigation pane. Now the notes pane. Notes pane is just to keep a notes for you. Suppose you want to learn something, why, what are the important topics of the slide and whatever, this you can write in this notes pane, and it is not shown while you just show the ppt on a full screen. The third one is slide pane. It show about the slide, what is going into the slide. Okay, now I'm going to tell you some important things of a PowerPoint window, just the components. See, at the upside left corner, that is quick access toolbar. You have learned in class 3 what is the quick access toolbar, how it's work. And the upper side, that is called title bar, which show about your file name, document name, ppt name. The dotted rectangular, there are 2 dotted rectangular, that first one is written click to add title. Yeah, this dotted rectangular called placeholder, remember this dotted rectangular called placeholder. And the downside, okay, come to downside, a small zoom slider is there, which used to just zoom in and zoom out the slides. Now view button, this button is used to view your slide, how slide looks on the your screen on any presentation, how it's look. And then come to the left side corner, that is called status bar. It shows you the status, means how many words you have used, how many slides you have used, in which slide you are working. Okay, now the components of PowerPoint window, we are going to learn about the components, the main parts of the PowerPoint window. Okay, so I am discussing it one by one. The first one is navigation pane. Okay, at that first image you can have seen the first only one white rectangle over there. See here 3, this white rectangular is a slides. Okay, it is present at the left side of the window and contains thumbnail size of the slide of the presentation. Thumbnail means small size. Okay, so this is the navigation pane, which is showing how many slides. Here I have taken 3 slides, so 3 navigation pane is here, how many slides you have used. Now second one is slide pane. It occupies the center part of the window and display one slide at a time. It is the main area where all the text, pictures, audio and video etc. inserted or added. Means whatever we work on the slide pane. Okay, now the third part is notes pane. It is located at the bottom of the slide pane. It is used to write some notes particular to the slide which the presenter can refer. It is not visible to the audience, so you can write anything whatever you want to write on the notes, but it is not visible to everyone. Okay, now quick access toolbar, which is I have told you in that image. It is located at the top left corner of the window. It contains the buttons which are frequently used by default. Undo, redo and slideshow button are present on it. At top left corner, this is used in which save. The first one is save, the arrow that is called undo, and the circular arrow that is called redo. Now title bar. It is located at the top next to the quick access toolbar. It displays the name of the file and program along with the sign in option, the button at the right side. Minimize, maximize and close means this is the title long bar over there where you can see the document name, whatever name you have saved or given to your document, and the right side corner there is minimize, maximize and close button. With the help of these three controls button, you can easily access your PowerPoint presentation. You can easily minimize it, maximize it or close it. Now moving to our next part, that is placeholder. As I have told, it is a dotted rectangle box present on the slide which can hold text, images, etc. This dotted rectangular, this is called placeholder. You can write your word, you can write your text, images, insert your images, videos in it. The next is status bar. It is present at the bottom of the window. It displays the information like number of slides, slide number, comment button, view button, zoom slide, that etc. Means it show about how many slides you are working, slide number that is, comment button means which error is there, what is the mistakes you can see, the grammatical mistakes. View button means how you can view the slides, and zoom slider means how you can zoom in or zoom out the slide. Now what is view button? You can view a presentation to 5 different views. 4 of them are by default available on status bar. The first one is normal view, slide sorter view, reading view and slideshow view. Normal view means what in which screen you are working, that is normal view. Then slide sorter view, you can see here I have zoomed it. You can just drag and drop and it will tell you about the view. In the same way, zoom slider is here. Zoom slider is present at the right side of the status bar. It is drag right or left to increase or decrease the zoom level, that is to display the slide in a larger view or in a smaller view. As you can adjust the volume at the right side or the left side. In the same way, when it turns to left side, it gets smaller, and when it turns to right side, it gets bigger. Now scroll bar. There are 2 types of scroll bar: horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. Horizontal means the left and right side, and vertical means up and down. Okay, so this is the end of this part. In this part, we have learned about 3 main basic pane of the PowerPoint, that is navigation pane, slide pane and notes pane, and all the components of PowerPoint window. Hope you have liked the video. Now dear, it's time to solve the worksheet. Solve the worksheet. See the video once again, twice or thrice to understand all the topic. Enjoy your day. We will meet soon. Bye bye.